Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can update your phone's system software. Moreover Samsung's. So first go on settings, then after this results, slide down. Here as you can see we have the software update button, so click on it. And here as you can see, is where you choose to download it and install it, or auto-download it when you get a Wi-Fi, and here is when you last updated it, so let's go on download, now let's wait. As you can see my software is up to date, so if yours has an update, you will find it here and click on downloading it. Bonus tip, if you want to check on your Android's version, just go on About Phone. If you slide down, you will see software information, click on it, and here as you can see there's our Android version, so thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.